Good morning, children. How are you all? Today, in our GK class, we are going to study lesson 16, Indian musicians. So, open your book, GK book, lesson 16, Indian musician. Children, when you are happy, you show your happiness by dancing. And you dance on some song, and in a song there is a music. So to make that music, many instruments are used, like tabla, sitar, guitar, harmonium, and so many instruments are used. So one person, he cannot play all the instruments. There are different people who are expert in one single instrument. So we are going to study about some great Indian musicians. Do you know how to play a guitar? No. Or maybe we know very little. We know very little dholak or tabla, but we are not expert. We are talking about great musicians. Indian music has classical music, which not all of us can understand, and then we have other music which we hear in our films. So these instruments which I am going to tell you about, they are generally used for classical music. You have seen our music teacher Himanshu ma'am. Sometimes she uses sitar or guitar or harmonium or synthesizer in just one song. Okay? So the first musician which we are going to talk about is Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is Pandit Ravi Shankar. His name is Ravi Shankar and Pandit has been added before his name. Which instrument he used to play? He used to play sitar. Very good sitar. And he got Bharat Ratna for this also. Okay. Next we have Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. He is Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. And the instrument which he used to use was Mohan Veena. Okay. Now this sitar and veena, they are string instruments. String means उनमें एक वायर जैसा होता है, वुडन चीज से इंस्ट्रूमेंट बना होता है और कुछ वायर्स लगे होते हैं. वो वायर्स को ऐसे इस हिसाब से मूव करते हैं कि उसमें अलग साउंड आता है. ओके, सो दीज आर नोन एज स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. नेक्स्ट वी हैव Zakir Hussain. You must have seen in TV ad. He is specialized in what? Tabla. Okay, tabla, drum, dholak, they are of the same category. You just beat the drum. आपको इन तीनों चीज़ों को ऐसे बीट करना होता है. वायर और स्ट्रिंग वाले को ऐसे बजाना होता है. So they are different instruments, right? Now next we have Bismillah Khan. He was from Banaras and he used to use what? Shehnai. Shehnai, what is Shehnai, children? शादियों में, अब तो नहीं इतना यूज होता है, but earlier in marriages, okay, you must have seen some people sitting on the entrance और वो शहनाई बजाते थे. That has very good sound. Okay. Then we have Hari Prasad Chaurasia. हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया। वो क्या बजाते थे? फ्लूट। फ्लूट इज बांसुरी, दैट इज ऑल्सो विंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट। बिस्मिल्लाह खान जो शहनाई और हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया फ्लूट, शहनाई एंड फ्लूट, दे आर बोथ विंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट। विंड मतलब जैसे अगर आपने फ्लूट देखा है तो इट हैज़ होल्स इन इट, सो जो साउंड उसमें जो म्यूजिक आता है दैट इज ड्यू टू विंड, एयर से। जैसे जब हम विसल करते हैं, व्हेन वी विसल देन ऑल्सो सम साउंड कम्स ना, दैट इज ड्यू टू एयर। सो अगेन फ्लूट, हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया, he was expert in flute. Okay, then we have Amjad Ali Khan, Ustad. He was known as Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. The instrument used by him was sarod. Sarod is again a string instrument, sarod vadan. Then we have Pandit Shiv Kumar. Shiv Kumar Santoor. Children, you must see all these instruments whenever you get time on net or in some books. You will find them. Okay? Then we have Dr. L. Subramaniam. Dr. L. Subramaniam, he used to play violin. Violin and guitar, they look same. Okay? So these are some of our musicians. और ये कोई मामूली musicians नहीं है. They have got many awards. Some have got Bharat Ratna and Padma Bhushan. They are great artists of our country. Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in 2001. And 1999, Ravi Shankar was also awarded Bharat Ratna. So we should respect these musicians. Okay? Now children, this was all for this lesson. We are going to give you this lesson. You have to do it in your book. Okay? I hope you have understood and you have gained some knowledge about these instruments. And children, please try to remember these. Learn them the same day. You will not forget, although it may be a little difficult for you, but learn the spellings also. Thank you and have a nice day.